Before we discuss what Core to Cloud is, let's discuss what Docker and Kubernetes is, so that everyone is on the same page. A container is a lightweight and portable package that contains all the necessary software and its dependencies to run an application. Think of it as a virtual environment that isolates an application from the host system. You can run these containers on any platform without worrying about any compatibility issues. Docker is a popular tool used to create, deploy, manage these containers. It makes the process of creating and managing these containers extremely easy for the developers like you and me. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. With Kubernetes, you can deploy and manage containers across multiple servers while ensuring that your applications are always available and running as expected. It also provides a way to manage the life cycle of the containers, including scaling, upgrades, and even rollbacks. Kubernetes is used by many large organizations to manage their containerized applications. It also is supported by all the major cloud providers, and they all provide managed Kubernetes clusters as well. This effectively prevents you from being vendor locked into a single cloud provider as well. Now that you have some basic understanding of Docker and Kubernetes, let's try to understand what Core to Cloud is and how it helps you. Core to Cloud is a package built in Ballerina which analyzes your code and builds the optimal artifacts required to deploy your code in the cloud in a cloud native way. The main objective of Core to Cloud is to simplify the developer experience of developing and deploying a Ballerina code in the cloud. Even if you lack the in-depth knowledge about Docker and Kubernetes, you can still focus on writing your code, and the compiler will generate the optimal artifacts for your application to deploy it in the cloud. It's important to understand that the Core to Cloud feature does not cover all the features of Docker or Kubernetes. It only covers a small subset of technologies which are mainly relevant to the development part. Note that the features that are related to ops are not covered with Core to Cloud. Our primary goal is to generate a minimal artifacts which allows the developer to run the code in the cloud. Now you have a basic understanding of these technologies. In the next video, we are going to see how we can use Core to Cloud to build and run Docker containers. See you then.